Sean?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing, buddy?
Really good, actually.
That was nice. That was tasty.
It was. You know why it was tasty?
Why was it
It's
so
something
tasty?
I rarely do on this channel.
No. Oh, what's
which
that?
is I rarely
provide quality instruction.
Why I oughta. What it was is I was doing something I don't do a lot on this channel, which is a lot of chord voicings and stuff in jamming. I talk a lot about lead guitar playing.
Yes, you do.
And this channel is really about improvising, and I know that a lot of people want to get out and improvise and jam with other people.
That's right.
But when you do that, you got to be prepared for both sides of the story.
Yes, you do.
You got to be doing the lead, and you got to be able to do your rhythm guitar stuff.
There are two sides to any coin.
There are, and you know, I don't know if you know this, but you and I just finished a Masterclass.
I do know.
Yes, about two sides of the story.
Integrally involved.
You were
in the Masterclass.
You definitely were. And the idea is, we want to give everyone watching the ability to sit and jam with anyone, regardless of like what you practice the most. If you're here in Stitch Method and do a lot of lead, you might want to go to jam with someone, but need a little bit more chord or rhythm structure.
And regardless of skill level.
Yes.
You know, you don't have to find people that are exactly in the same spot as you are to be able to have a good time playing music.
That's it. You want to be able to sit with anyone at any time, and if they ask if you want to jam, you want to jam. And usually when you jam, it's a communal thing. It's not a show-off thing. We talk about that a little bit in the video. As Sean knows, there's about 12 vignettes.
Yes.
In this masterclass, which go over from how to easily discover lead playing and rhythmic ideas with no music theory. Very little music theory. We bring in
zero, honestly.
Yeah, nothing. It's more about how to sit down with someone, talk to them, look at what they're doing, learn what's part of this course. It comes with the patented Stitch Method charts.
Oh, those charts.
And some patented Stitch Method, Sean Daniel backing tracks.
Yes.
To practice
the best of both worlds.
That's right.
Which is why it's not a master class. It's a master's class.
Boom.
2 masters.
That's right, 2 masters.
For the price of 1.
For the price of 1. And so if you're interested in just building confidence, and going, and you never know when you're going to need to jam with someone. And it's really frightening. And I hear from a lot of my students, they want to go jam, but they don't think they're ready yet. And you're never going to be ready until you do it. You know, one of our subs and good friends, Cheddar.
My man.
Yeah, who we mentioned in the actual masterclass, so you have to buy it, Cheddar. You know, he is stepping into blues jams because he had the confidence to do it. And this is about building the confidence to get you in the ring. And so please, if you're interested, it'll be linked below in my description. It'll be linked in the comment. It's a brand new Master's class. About jamming with confidence. And, you know, I was playing some chord voicings that I rarely play, thanks to Sean. And it's really fun. I do a lot of lead and rhythm stuff. You do a lot of lead and rhythm stuff.
We switch back and forth.
Acoustic,
electric.
Guitar talk.
There's my lawn is mentioned.
Teacups are brought in.
There's
you know,
there's a lot
it's
going
really fun and entertaining to watch, and it's 208 minutes of pure guitar satisfaction. So go get it and let us know how it is, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.